Hi, how are you? This is Peter Suksin Chan. Today I'd like to show you one of my painting about birds and maple trees. The size of the painting is about 2 feet high and a little bit less than 3 feet long. It's a freestyle Chinese painting, but as you can see, it mixed with the Western elements and the Chinese style in it. So it's a very unique painting. Well, during the month of October and early November, depending on which part of Ontario you live in, it's beautiful to visit because all the trees, they all turn into red, yellow, orange, brown, light green or dark green. It's absolutely beautiful to look at them, and it's a perfect subject for any painting. And so if you have chance to come to Canada for a visit, please consider early autumn. It's beautiful too. This is a freestyle watercolor painting, right? But if you use a white cardboard and a white wooden frame or dark burgundy wet frame, immediately this will give you a totally different feeling, very modern and very westernized. And yet you still can tell there's a lot of Chinese influence and element in it too. My style, I like to combine both Chinese and Western element in it, because we live in a world that nowadays that is so close to each other, the earth seems smaller and smaller. So why not to take the advantage? And this is also one of the character and the style of this time period. Later on, at the end of the video, I will show you some close-up shot of the painting, and you can tell there's a lot of different color I used in here, and they look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why when you look at the painting, you really have to spend some time in it and look at it very carefully. And of course, a good painting also have to show people a lot of things in it too. Well, thank you for watching my painting videos. I hope you enjoy and like my painting. Well, if you have time, please do come back to visit and watch more of my painting videos. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye. See you next time.